Hi everyone! Quickly before we jump into today's video, I want to let you guys know that I'm launching a brand new video series on my YouTube channel called Ask Moments by Boothe. The purpose of this video series is to answer all your burning real estate questions that you comment all the time. You hit me up on Facebook, you hit me up on Instagram, you guys even find my WhatsApp to contact me and ask me questions. And I want to start answering these questions in a concise manner where the answers can be beneficial to each and every one of you guys who have supported me throughout my 1.5 year journey on YouTube. All you have to do to ask me your burning real estate question is to click the first link down in the description box below of this video, and going forward I will try to make it be the first link in all my videos that you can click that link and ask me your burning real estate question, and then you can look out for the video with the answers to your questions no later than a week after asking. I will also pin the link to ask your question in the comment section of this video to make it even easier for you to reach out to me and get answers for your burning questions. But you don't know the vibes already. Enough of the talking, let's jump into the video. Breaking news for all you potential homeowners, especially ones who are looking for homes in Montego Bay. The HAJ, Housing Agency of Jamaica, has announced on January 16, 2023, that they are now selling phases 2 and 3 of the much anticipated Edmond Ridge estates at Ryan Park in St. James. These homes will be going for a starting price of $19.2 million. But before we jump into the full details, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you guys who decided to watch this video today, who has been supporting me for over a year and a half now, who has been liking the videos, who has been commenting, who has been sharing. Thank you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me because you are helping me along my journey of becoming a full-time YouTuber. Whilst we never got to the goal in 2022, the goal is still the goal and we're still going at it full steam ahead. With that said, if you could like this video, if you could hit that subscribe button, and if you could turn your post notifications on, that would help me out a lot along my journey. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. You ready? Run me intro. I don't know how long you guys have been subscribers of my YouTube channel or viewers, but about a little over a year ago, I did go to Edmond Ridge Estates to view all 3 unit types that were available for phase 1. So if you want to have an idea of what the Edmond Ridge properties may look like in their completed state, you can check out that video and I'll link it up above in the cards, and I'll also link it down in the description box below. As a matter of fact, I'll actually put this video in a Edmond Ridge playlist along with all the other videos that I have done on Edmond Ridge, including one that detailed the construction phase of phase 2 and 3 of Edmond Ridge. So over a year ago, these particular properties that are on offer today in phase 2 and phase 3 were in their construction phase, and I did do a drive-through tour, and I got out the car and showcased what was going on, how the development looked, what the construction phase was like. So if you want to check that out, I'll link that as well in the cards above, down in the description box, and also in that Edmond Ridge Estate playlist that I'm telling you about. There wasn't much detail that was put out today, more than it is now selling. Phase 2 and 3 is now selling at a starting price of 19.2 million. It states here, your new home awaits a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family detached unit starting at 19.2 million. And then you have a 2-bed, 1-bathroom townhouse starting at 19.95 million. You have a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhouse starting at 24.8 million. And then lastly, you have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom split level unit starting at 26.4 million. What I'm noticing here is there is an additional unit type than that of which was available for phase 1, which only had 3 unit types available. The HAJ did do you the kind favor of leaving some contact information so you can reach out to them at 876 968-7522 extension 4 or 7536 extension 9 or 940-2559 extension 60. I will leave the contact information for the HHA down in the description box as well. So if you want to reach out to them via telephone, you can do so to find out how you can actually apply for one of these homes that are now selling. What I do know is they employ a first come first serve basis. So if you really want one of these, I would advise you to call them as soon as you finish watching this video. There's also an email address that you can reach out at info@hajl.gov.jm. As soon as I saw this post, I actually jumped on their website to see if the application process was open online. However, in the now selling section of their website, phase 2 and 3 of the Edmond Ridge estate is not yet updated. So you won't be able to go onto the platform and actually apply via that means. You will have to call them directly at this point. I figure more or less sometime by the end of this week that will be updated, and then you can apply for this particular housing development via the online portal. And I know you guys are wondering what this place actually looks like right now, how far along in the completion process this particular development is. So if you buy in now, how soon can you move into your potential dream home? And let me tell you, the views from the phase 2 and phase 3 of this particular property is absolutely stunning. You can see the Caribbean Sea from your homes. That much I remember. And I can tell you one thing, if this video gets 500 likes within the first week of it being posted on YouTube, I will go down to Edmond Ridge Estates for you guys and showcase how far along the units are in their completion process. So yeah, that's the brief information that is currently available about Edmond Ridge Estates Phase 2 and 3. Please use it to your advantage. Please reach out to them and find out all the details that you want to find out. Or hear me out. You can click the first link down in the description box below and ask me any question that you want to ask about Edmond Ridge, and I will find out the answer for you and answer it in my brand new video series, Ask Moments by Boothe. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every time you make the conscious decision to hit that like button, to hit that subscribe button, and to even come to these videos in the first place. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for supporting my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber. And don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms. And that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. But enough of the chattings. AB signing out.